नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Illuminating text 56, text 57 and text 58 of chapter 1, genealogical level of the daughters of Manu of 4th canto, the creation of the 4th order of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 56, Deva Uchuho, Yo Mayaya Virachitam Nijayatma Nidam Khe Rupabhedamiva Tata Pratikshanaaya Eten Dharma Sadane Rushi Murti Nadya Pradushchakara Purushaya Namaha Parasmai. The demigod said, "Let us offer our respectful obeisances unto the transcendental personality of Godhead, who created as his external energy this cosmic manifestation, which is situated in him as the air and clouds are situated in space, and who has now appeared in the form of Naranarayan Rishi in the house of Dharma. The universal form of the Lord is the cosmic manifestation, which is an exhibition of the external energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. In space, there are innumerable varieties of planets and also the air, and in the air, there are variously colored clouds, and sometimes we see airplanes running from one place to another. Thus, the entire cosmic manifestation is full of variety, but actually that variety is a manifestation of the external energy of the Supreme Lord, and that energy is situated in him. Now the Lord himself, after manifesting his energy, appeared within the creation of his energy, who is simultaneously one with and different from himself. Therefore, the demigods offer their respectful prayers to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who manifests himself in such varieties. There are many philosophers called non-dualists who, because of their impersonal conception, think that varieties are false. In this verse, it is specifically stated, Yo Mayaya Virachitam. This indicates that the varieties are a manifestation of the energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Thus, because the energy is non-different from the Godhead, the varieties are also factual. The material varieties may be temporary, but they are not false. They are a reflection of the spiritual varieties. Here the word Pratichakshanaya, there are varieties, announces the glories of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who appeared as Naranarayan Rishi and who is the origin of all varieties of material nature. Text 57. So ayam sthiti vyati karopa shamaya srushtan satven naha suraganananu meya tatvah drusyadada bhra karunen vilokanen yachachri niketamalam kshipatara vindam. Let that Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is understood by authentic Vedic literature and who has created peace and prosperity to destroy all calamities of the created world, be kind enough to bestow upon his glance upon the demigods. His merciful glance can supersede the beauty of the spotless lotus flower, which is the home of the goddess of fortune. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the origin of the cosmic manifestation, is covered by the wonderful activities of material nature, just as outer space or the illumination of the sun and moon is sometimes covered by clouds or dust. It is very difficult to find the origin of the cosmic manifestation. Therefore, material scientists conclude that nature is the ultimate cause of all manifestations. But from Shastra or Vedic literature, like Bhagavad Gita and other Vedic scriptures, we understand that behind this wonderful cosmic manifestation is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And in order to maintain the regular procedures of the cosmic manifestation and to be visible to the eyes of persons who are in the mode of goodness, the Lord appears. He is the cause of the creation and dissolution of the cosmic manifestation. The demigods therefore prayed for his merciful glance upon them in order to be blessed. Text 58. Evam Sura Ganaistat Bhagwan Taba Bhishtu Tau Labdhava Lokaira Yayatu Rarachitau Gandhamadanam. Maitreya said, O Vidur, thus the demigods worshipped with prayers the Supreme Personality of Godhead, appearing as the sage Naranarayana. The Lord glanced upon them with mercy and then departed for Gandhamadan hill. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.